All right, here's our Haven Connect box. We're gonna go ahead and unbox the product and show you everything inside of it, and we'll kind of detail what comes in the box and some features about the product. When you first open your Haven product, you'll have your installation guide. So this shows you exactly what you need to install the product. It goes over the tools, the installation overview, but most importantly, it gives you the website address to our automated install guide. That's probably the best place for you to start. The second item is our warnings, cautions, advisories notice. So take a look at this before you install your product so you have a good idea of the safeties and warnings for your product. Here's the Haven Connect unit. It comes in the box. It's the first thing that you see after opening. It's the first product or the first component on top. The item underneath it is a template that helps you space the product from your door and from your threshold or your toe molding. The next item is a template and also a riser, so you can use this as part of the installation process and also use it to raise the height of your product if Haven doesn't make initial contact with your door. We can go over more of that in the install portion. The next item is screws. You should have 6 screws, wood screws, that will be used during the installation process to secure your product to the floor should you choose the hard install method. Next item is the charging cable. That also comes with the adapter, USB adapter for the wall. That's when you charge your product. At this point, you should charge your product for 6 hours before installing the product. And then the last item is your batteries.